Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Outlook and navigating to File, then Manage Rules and Alerts. This puts you where rules live. Once there, pick the account or folder you want the rule to affect and click New Rule so you can act immediately. Choose a template for common tasks or start from a blank rule when you need exact control. This first step matters because it scopes the rule and prevents accidental cross-account moves, so make sure you select the correct inbox before proceeding. Now you define the how and why. Pick precise conditions like sender address, subject keywords, or message size so the rule targets only intended mail. Then select actions, move to a folder, forward to a colleague, delete, or apply a category, because the action determines the result you see in your inbox. Once done, add exceptions to prevent unintended processing, such as VIP senders or flagged messages. Test the rule on a few emails to confirm behavior and tweak conditions, if results differ from expectations. Finish by naming the rule clearly and ordering it among other rules, because order controls priority when multiple rules match. Choose Run Now to apply to existing messages or leave it active for future mail. Pick client-only when using desktop-only actions and server rules for always-on behavior. If things go wrong, check rule order, disable conflicting rules, and verify mailbox size limits. Corrupted rules can be recreated by exporting, deleting, and re-importing settings. This final step ensures consistent delivery and recoverability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.